What's going on out there, folks? Rooster here in Tennessee. Rooster TN radio connection on eBay. The item I want to let you look at today is a CNH Electronics 90 amp modular power supply, regulated. This is the standard version of the power supply. Just an on and off switch on the front, no variable. It's 90 amps. It does have the digital voltmeter. We'll go around the top of it here. It does have a fan on top. It's running very quiet. If you'll excuse my wire mess around the back, we'll go around the back. Positive and negative terminals, fuse, and jacks over here where you can hook up a radio or something, or a very small amp. So, pretty cool. Nice and neat laid out. I'll go back around to the front. We're going to do a test on it today, and I've got 3 things in line on it, and we'll run one individually and then we'll run them all 3 together, just to demonstrate, you know, how the power supply holds up. Over here we're going to be looking at the bird meter today. It's a 500 watt slug. That'll focus a little better. So that'll be the middle scale, just for a reference point on kind of what we're putting out on here. So we'll glance back to it here in a second. What we'll be testing on today, CNH 3300 HP. I did a video on it the other day. I think it's doing like 13 watts average or something. Probably around 35 to 40 watts peak. I like to call this my ugly 4-pill. It's 4 Toshiba 2879s mobile amp. And I'll call this my uglier 2-pill, I guess. And it's a pair of 2290s. Like I said, we'll test all this individually. You know, of course, the radio with the amps. And then we'll just do an output test of all of it together. And we'll keep an eye on how the power supply reacts while we do that. So, uglier 2-pill, uglier 4-pill, or ugly 4-pill. I don't know what to call this CNH. Christmas light CNH, I guess. But anyway, we'll go ahead and get it started. We'll go over here. I'm just going to key the radio first. So no drop. We'll go the bird meter. 500 watt slug, so middle scale. Alright, so that's about what we thought on the CNH. No drop. Thank goodness. If it was dropping there, I'd be worried. So what I'm going to do, I'll come over here and turn on the 2-pill. The uglier 2-pill. And I've got the variable wide open on it. RF power's on low on the radio. And we'll come over here. I'll go ahead and key the microphone. No drop. We'll test the output first. 1, 2, LO1, almost 90 watts. Average power. Now this is not peak power, keep in mind, it's average power. So you can say roughly 180 to 200 watts. I'm still keyed up. No drop, no drop. Once again, if it dropped there, I'd be worried. We'll come over here and turn that off. We'll turn the 2-pill off, turn the 4-pill on. Just a radio into the 4-pill. 200 watts average, 200 watts average almost, not quite. Alright, so no drop with just the 4-pill. Pretty good so far. So here's the test we'll do. On this power supply, I always say I think somebody can run a 1 drive and 4 easy, no problem. So we'll put that to a test. It's going to be 2 2290s, a radio, and the 4 Toshiba 2879 amplifier. We'll go over here and do an output test. All the units are on. I'll pan back over one more time. They're all on. The CNH is on. The 4-pill's on. And the hideous 2-pill is on as well. One, audio, one, audio, one, audio, 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 one, audio. So we're keying just under 300. Hello, come in, audio, 1, 2, 3, audio, 1, 2, 3, audio, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to almost 400 average. Now we're going to see a little bit of drop, as you'll see. But all 3 units are running on here. Audio test. That's a 300 watt carrier, and I'm just speaking into the mic normal here, and you can see what it's doing on the meter. When I speak into the mic normal, it's going up to almost 400 watts average. Audio test, stress test, stress test, stress test, audio test. So in reality, we're probably pulling 800 to 850 watts peak, and we're doing hello, come in, 400 watts average, and it's holding up just fine. If it does overdraw, it will kick off, but as you can see, we're drawing, you know, we're dropping down a volt, 2 volts, 3 volts at most. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. If I get on it there, it might drop down 3, or not 3 volts, excuse me, 0.3, not 3. Audio, 1, 2. Alrighty, folks, I'm gonna get off the key here. Yeah, 1, 2. I believe that'll be a sufficient test. But once again, that was all 3 units running on one 90 amp power supply. So 100 watt 2-pill, the 15 watt average CNH, and the 200 watt average 4-pill, all combined together doing around 400 watts average, 375. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just kind of a FYI video of what the power supply does. If it's sturdy, if anybody had any doubts about it. Once again, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio test, 1, 2, 3. Nothing wrong with that at all. Alright folks, 73s, bye bye bye.